Hey guys, welcome to my channel Healthy Positive Vibes. In today's video we will see different types of foods that helps to relieve hiccups. Please watch this video till the end to get the useful information. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update as well as the useful information regarding health. So let's begin with this informative video. What is hiccups? Hiccups refer to repetitive and uncontrollable contraction of the diaphragm, the large muscle which helps you breathe in and breathe out, accompanied by a hic sound from your vocal cords. Hiccups are a common phenomenon in people of all age groups. Anyone can get hiccups and they are usually not a sign of something serious. Hiccups usually settle on their own within a few minutes. They can be annoying and interfere with eating and talking. Hiccups are mostly harmless and stop without treatment. But if your hiccups are bothering you, you can use simple home remedies to get rid of them. Hiccups don't affect the quality of your life. Now let us understand what causes hiccups. Causes of hiccups. Number 1. Drinking carbonated drinks and beverages. Number 2. Eating quickly or eating more than what is required. Number 3. Eating spicy foods. Number 4. Experience stress, fear or excitement. Number 5. Take a very hot or very cold drink. Number 6. Inhale toxic gases. Number 7. Are anesthetized for the procedure. Number 8. Undergo chemotherapy. Number 9. Take medicines, for example, benzodiazepines for anxiety. Number 10. Overuse alcohol. Number 11. Babies who suffer from excessive gastroesophageal reflux can suffer from hiccups. These are the causes of hiccups. Now let's see foods that relieves hiccups. Number 1. Honey. Gulp down a tablespoon full of honey. Number 2. Yogurt. Mix the teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of yogurt and eat this mixture slowly. Number 3. Ice. Add a few cubes of ice to a glass of water and drink. An alternate solution is to wrap a few cubes of ice in a clean, thin cloth and apply it to the back of the neck. Number 4. Sugar. Take 1 teaspoon of sugar, hold the sugar in your mouth for about 30 seconds while it dissolves, then chew and swallow slowly. Number 5. Cardamom powder. Boil freshly ground 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder in 1½ cup of water over low heat. Allow the liquid to cool and strain. Drink the resulting filtrate. Number 6. Lemon. You can take a lemon, cut it in half and bite on it. Number 7. Drinking or gargling iced water. You can try gargling with ice cold water to help you deal with hiccups. You can also swallow some crushed ice to get rid of hiccups. Number 8. Ginger. Take 2 to 3 small pieces of ginger and place them in your mouth. Suck on these pieces for a few minutes. You can also brew some fresh ginger tea and sip it slowly. Number 9. Asafoetida. Add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida to the 1 tablespoon of clarified butter and mix well. Swallow this mixture. Number 10. Chamomile tea. Brew fresh chamomile tea by steeping 1 teaspoon dried chamomile herb in hot water for a few minutes. Add a few drops of lemon juice for taste and drink this herbal tea. Number 11. Gripe water. Dilute the 1 tablespoon gripe water with equal amount of water. Administer this to the baby drop by drop. Number 12. Grape jelly. Simply eat a tablespoon of this jelly. Number 13. Peanut butter. You can eat a spoonful of peanut butter to help with hiccups. You can also use almond butter or even chocolate spread if you have any of these at home. Number 14. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup in warm glass of water and drink this. Number 15. Drink a glass of warm water. It is said that drinking a glass of warm water in one go can help stop hiccups. This is one of the most common hiccup remedies. Number 16. Vinegar. Have a drop of vinegar, though it might taste awful. Just a tiny drop of vinegar on your tongue may help you get rid of those not so nice feeling hiccups. Number 17. Chocolate powder. As soon as you consume chocolate powder, the rich and strong taste of it overwhelms the vagus nerve and sends a signal to the brain to stop the involuntary movement to focus on the feel-good sensation. Hence, you get instant relief from hiccups. When to seek medical help? Most of the time, hiccups go away on their own without medical treatment. However, if your hiccup persists longer than 48 hours, you should see a doctor. Long-term hiccups could be a sign of an underlying medical condition and may require medication to treat long-term hiccups. Conclusion. People of all ages can get hiccups at various points in their life. Hiccups are usually not a sign of anything serious and resolve on their own without any treatment. However, if your hiccups are bothering you, you can simply use any of the remedies which I have mentioned in this video to get rid of hiccups. However, if your hiccups last for more than a few days and if your hiccups are accompanied by numbness, headache and trouble balancing, you need to contact your healthcare provider immediately. That's all for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Hope you always be happy and healthy.